Alright, here's a 2024 Dance Fan City ceiling fan catalog, which I got from my trip to Dance Fan City this year when I was in Florida. And not much of this is different from my 2019 Dance Fan City catalog. Some of the pictures in there, like some of the pages are exactly the same with very minor differences to them. But anyways, let's begin. We've got the Liberator, a Titan 2, and yeah, those are pretty nice fans, I guess. Got the Eon, the Evolution. By the way, these are Tropisair fans. Dance Fan City sells Tropisair and Gulf Coast fans. Got the Tropisair Fusion, Tropisair Northstar, Tropisair Aria, or Aria, if that's how that's pronounced. Tropisair Elegant 2, Tropisair Optum. That one's definitely new. Well, I mean, this catalog's from 2 years ago, but that one definitely was not in my 2019 catalog. I know that for sure, and neither was this one. Tropisair St. Augustine, Gulf Coast Luna, Tropisair Starfire, Tropisair Estero, Tropisair Quantum 2. Maybe I should just stop saying Tropisair for now. But yeah, got the Quattro, the Solera, the Astra, the Coho, the Tuscan, the Captiva, and the Reno. We've got the Gulf Coast Mini Breeze, which is definitely a very nice fan, for sure. The Tropisair McCoy, kind of a nice classic contemporary style. And the Reveal, Voyage, and the Nautical Rain Dance. Got the Mustang, the Tornado, which I actually filmed one when I was at Dance Fan City. Got the Coastal Air, the Tiki, and the Trinidad. And yeah, I definitely like the Trinidad a lot. One of my favorite Gulf Coast fans. Here we've got the Gulf Coast Atlantis, and honestly, I forget this model exists a lot. I need to stop forgetting that one exists. Yeah, but one of the few Gulf Coast fans I haven't made a video of yet. I've got the Centurion. I do have a couple of videos of this fan. I have a video of an orbed bronze one from 3 years ago, and then I made a video of a white one this year. I've got the Rain Dance normal version, and the Outdoor Dixie Belle. And yeah, they even still make the Verde one. Still. Only Verde fan they still make. Here we've got the Bombay. Well, both versions, 42-inch version and the 52-inch version. Here we've got the Moroccan, the Cane Isle, the Venetian, which these are actually discontinued now. And got the Palm Bay and the Palm Breeze 2. Here we've got the 42-inch Dixie Belle and 52-inch Dixie Belle. And this is actually just showing the arbor blades. And then we've got Rain Dance, another Rain Dance here, and then 2 Riviera 2s. I think for this page in my 2019 one, they show the burnished copper one. But yeah, those are discontinued now. And actually, these are now DC Motor fans now. Here we've got the Renaissance. The only difference between this picture and the one in my 2019 one is that they changed the blades on the antique brass one here. Now it's shown with the 60-inch barmwood blades. Got the Madeira, the Meridian, and the Futura. Here we've got the Tiara. These fans are also now DC motors as well. Yeah, they don't make them AC motor Tiaras anymore. We've got the Infinity, not to be confused with the Hunter Infinity. and the 42-inch Dixie Belle. And yes, I do have this exact one here, but with a different blade set. Got the Flagler, which is definitely a newer fan. That was not in my 2019 catalog. And we've got the Stratus. Here's the 52-inch Dixie Belle. And the normal Rivera 2. Without, just the Rivera 2 without the, never mind. Actually, no, this one also has arbor blades as well. But yeah, they're showing it again. Got the Corsica and the Excalibur. Got the Duet, the Metropolitan, which is also pretty similar to the Harbor Breeze Airspan, which not many collectors actually know about, but it's a pretty rare Harbor Breeze fan. But yeah, this is basically just like that one. I think I'm pretty sure there is difference, but I have to look at that again. Got the TriStar 3. TriStar 2. Why did I say TriStar 3? Got the Twin Star 3 right here. And then now here are all the blades. We've got all the arbor blades. I really like the ones with the grapes on them and the ones with the palm trees on them as well, but they're very expensive. And here's all the normal blades. And yes, they still make gloss blades. I think Gulf Coast I think is the only company that still makes fans of gloss blades, or has gloss blades available for their fans. This finish is definitely new, the Seashore White. And here's the outdoor blades as well. These are all pretty nice. And the normal outdoor blades as well. Here's different light kits. The Bull Collection. I definitely like this one a lot, but I'm still not that big of a fan of bowl-shaped light kits. But this one's definitely my favorite of these ones. And I do like this one too. You've got more light kits. As far as I know, I think this one here is discontinued. Here's the 2 spotlight kits as well, and I actually have this one for my 42-inch Dixie Belle. And we've got more here. We've got 5-arm fitter. Yes, they still make 5-arm fitters. We've got the Fountain light kit as well, which I actually got one of these for my SMC Park Avenue 5 when I went to Dan's Fan City, which you'll see when I get that fan installed. The Swan fitter, and yeah, and here's all the glass as well. Yeah, there used to be like a green and blue marble glass they used to sell, but those are discontinued now. Based on the fact that they're not on this catalog. And then here's the back, where it's got all the down rods and stuff. It has like the tutorial on how to design your fan. I have used that app before. That's how I got my Gulf Coast Dixie Belle. But yeah, there's that. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and bye.